I will show how to schedule different event branches for my two study groups, as one group will need an extra visit during the treatment period. I have an input here for the subject's diagnosis available on the screening visit. This is what I will use to control which branch should be started. Navigating to the scheduling first takes me to events, where we see these listed with the assigned eCRF pages. On the next tab, we have event branches, and here I have already created the branches I need, but let's take a look at one of them to see how it is configured. In the atopic dermatitis branch, I have two treatment visits, where we also see the visit window that is allowed between. And I also have the end of study visit. We have an expression that controls if the branch should be used or not. And as you see, it's a very simple expression here with diagnosis equal to atopic dermatitis. But if you need several triggers, that is of course also possible to use in this JavaScript. Let's go to the actual schedule. The only thing here at the moment is the screening visit, so we will need to add the rest of them. I see my branches in the menu to the left and just need to drag and drop these where I need them. Starting with the atopic dermatitis, psoriasis, and my screening failures. Then I will need to add the actual connection as well and set the time expected between the branches. It is possible to have different time between the different branches, as you see here. Now we have 10 and we have 5. And finally, for the screening failures, I say 0. We also can see the start expression criteria to make sure that these are correct. And then the branching is complete and I can save and close.